Hi, this is Camille Magno from Viavi Solutions, and we're here at SC23, where Viavi is working to enable the transport of high-performance computing data up to 800 gig. With our ONTN MAP 300 platform, we are able to verify NIC cards, high-speed interconnects, transceivers, and other network modules that are used to build these networks from the ground up. Here at the show, we're actually using our portable test equipment, such as our ONA 800, and our inspection and cleaning tools to enable the SciNet network team to actually validate the fidelity and throughput of the data path here at the show. Viavi is proud to be enabling the foundation for high-performance computing data. And if you have any questions, reach out to us at viavisolutions.com or call your local sales representative.